Okay, so first off, I want to start this video with just saying thank you for your patience. I know I haven't really been producing a lot of reviews or just really content in general. It's been a pretty crazy couple of weeks for me, and if you're wondering what's going on and why this is like a weird angle and I don't have my normal setup, it's because actually I am moving. Actually, like right now. So at time of recording, this is time of recording. You can see it is 11:37, and in about 3 hours, I'm getting in a U-Haul and driving because yet again, in my yearly tradition, I am moving. I'm going from East Coast back to the West Coast because my job took us back out there, and I'm more of a West Coast person at the end of the day over East Coast. So we're actually going to go do a little small stint down here on the East Coast still, stay with some family, see some family, catch up with some people. Got some in-laws that are getting ready to go back to college, things like that, younger in-laws, older in-laws, and just a whole bunch of stuff. So in the next couple of months, we'll be moving again, but this is really just a temporary move, putting stuff in storage, hanging out, traveling around, you know, doing the nomadic lifestyle for a couple months while we have the opportunity to. So that is what's going on first off and foremost, which is why it's been crazy and it's been really just insanely busy. I was in Colorado for 3 weeks, and then I came back, and in that course of the week, I had to pack up, and now getting ready to move. Additionally, another reason why I haven't been posting, and I want to be as open and transparent as possible, is on my 28th birthday, which I was going to make a video, and I had a video all filmed, and maybe one day I'll release it for whatever. Just had some traumatic personal stuff happen. A lot of family personal stuff came crashing down all at once, and still feeling the ripples from that, so I haven't exactly been in the mind space to want to record, which is funny because usually doing content and making content is like my therapy, but it hit me a little bit harder than I was expecting, so that's part of the reason that I haven't really been producing that much, and hopefully that changes because I'm feeling a second breath of air. Just kind of was a little exhausted from everything for a while. But speaking of products, to give you an idea of what is coming up, first and foremost, Modern Day Fair sent me this bad boy. This is their new active sling. It's like a 16-liter X-Pack ripstop Fidlock hardware sling. I've been testing that out. That's my move sling, my main move bag. I'm also currently reusing and retrying out, obviously, my Shimoda designs for my camera, but I'll be living out of my Bellroy Transit work pack and my Pete Design 30-liter pack. Those are gonna be my two for like, one's for work clothes, one's for personal clothes, and obviously Shimoda is for my lovely camera gear. Another product that I really want to talk about is the DJI Mini 3 Pro. So I'm not much of a drone person. I did review the Mini 2 as somebody who's never used a drone before, but the Mini 3, as somebody who's newer to drones and everything, I've seen a lot of big channels talk about it. I wanted to give you my full, honest, and open opinion. So I will be doing a video on the Mini 3 at some point, probably in the next couple of weeks. Also got some stuff coming from my own clothing company, Wandrd Tech. We're about to release some shirts, hopefully in the next couple weeks. We've been working on it pretty hard, doing some in-house designs and in-house printing. We went out and we bought a printer. My business partner and best friend Mark is handling that side of things, so hopefully we'll have some shirts to throw your way before summer ends, and then also we'll have more hoodies as the winter and fall times approach. So if you're interested in that, link to the website will be down below. We still have some of the original Destination Line hoodies left, not very many, so if you're interested, get one. They're on sale, 15% off. That's pretty much it in terms of a general catch-up. Just got some more products, more bags. I got something from Huru coming in, hopefully pretty soon. Like I said, I want to do the DJI Mini 3. I want to show you some editing software for Final Cut that I've been using that I've been really enjoying. I'd love to show you guys more of the editing side and how I use my gear or film as well. Just kind of want to go over, branch more out of just regular like bags and travel related products into more of my creative side, because one of the things I'm working on, and hopefully we'll be able to produce this and have it out in the next year or so, is I currently started writing a short film. So I'm endeavoring out into other projects besides just YouTube, as well as working for companies, helping with ads and content and promos and stuff like that. Speaking of which, Western Rise discount code ODIE, get yourself a nice shift hat, 15% off your order, and a little kickback to the channel, which helps because moving is hella expensive. That's pretty much what's going on. Just wanted to give you guys a little heads up and update of what was going on in my crazy, chaotic life as I venture out into the next journey of traveling around for a couple months and then settling on the West Coast. Western coast. I say West Coast, but it's not like I'm moving to California. I'm just moving west of Mississippi. Thank God. East Coast is great, but Boston just wasn't doing it, I guess I can kind of say I don't really mention where I'm living, because that's weird. I don't want people to know where I live, but I've been living in Boston for the last year. It's been great. Had some fun, but very excited to move on. Thank you guys for the continued support you show this channel. I know that there were some gaps with posting, and I'm trying not to have those gaps again, which is why I wanted to put something out today, which, as you're gonna see, this came out in less than 12 hours of recording. But because you guys have been so patient and supportive with everything, it's the only reason that my channel is even here. So I wanted to be honest up front and transparent, let you guys know what's going on in general. So with all of that, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know down below, and I'll do my best to answer those for you. Thank you guys yet again for all the love and support, and I will see you next time.